Hello and welcome. I'm Raghav. If you are someone in the QA and testing field, and apart from doing your work and your jobs, you may also want to stay updated with the latest news, trends, information, blogs, jobs, meetups, conferences happening in the QA field, but you don't have a lot of time. You cannot go to each and every platform and see what is the latest news, what are the latest releases of any tool, where is the next conference or meetup happening, what are the latest jobs in my field. You want all these updates, but you don't have a lot of time. Now, how about a tool or an app which can aggregate all this information from different platforms and resources and show you at a single place? So that is exactly what we are going to see today. So here I'm going to selectorshub.com, and this is not just a browser extension but also an app. So here you will find testing daily. This is the app we are going to use and see. So let's see what all it gives us and how we can use it. So this is the app which can show us all the latest trends, conferences, YouTube videos in your field, in your whatever you are following. You can actually also filter and suggest what you want to follow: testing blogs, meetups, QA jobs, and conferences. So you can add it as a browser extension, and you can also add it to your mobile phones. Whether you are using Android or iPhone, you can add it, and you can also get notifications if you want to. So here you can see this is, you can use it on any of the browsers or your phone. So let's see, I will add it as a browser extension, and this will now turn each of my new tab into this updates screen. So this is testing daily. So this is like a tester's homepage where you can see all the latest information, updates, jobs, events, blogs, YouTube videos, etc. So here, whenever now you open a new tab, you will always see this coming up, and you can also switch it off. I will show you this in a moment. So let us see, we have these categories here. So this is home, where you will see all the latest feed. Then if you want to see what are the latest YouTube videos related to QA or testing, you will find all this here. Okay, then you can go to blogs and you will see the latest blog. So you can see all this is coming from the latest from all these different resources. Okay, so this is coming from QA Media, Bagasur, and Medium, and all these things. You can click on this and go to the details, go to the platform and read it. We also have option to upvote and comment, or you can also add it to your bookmark. So let's say you want to follow some particular updates, you can always bookmark that. Then the latest events or the upcoming events you can find here in the events section. So you can also see here how many days left for this, 2 days, 1 day, and you can always see the details by clicking there. Then the latest jobs in QA testing, you can find it here. You can see the details, and then you can also see from where it is coming, what's the location, how much experience is required, and then whatever uh, you find it useful, you can always click and see the details. So can be very useful, and we can always filter from here. For example, I will say playwright, so anything related to playwright will come here, or let me find for selenium. So on the jobs nothing is there, but let's say if I go to blogs and then if I say selenium, so here you can see the details about selenium. So this one is coming from selenium official. So here you can also see all the details, and you can click here and read the article or whatever blog it is, you can check it. Okay, now after this you can see we have this section in the side here where you can filter. You can go to the most popular feeds, then most upvoted, best discussions, and then bookmarks. So for getting bookmarks you will have to log in. So you can just give your email and password and log into this app, and then you can bookmark whatever you want to, and then you will find it in your bookmark section. Similarly, all the feeds related to generative AI you can find here. Now you can see it opens automatically whenever you open a new tab, and it can be very useful so that whenever you open a new tab you get all the latest information, and quickly within few seconds you can just scroll and scan what's happening and then continue with your work. But just in case you want to stop it, maybe you are in some conference or you are sharing your screen and you don't want that this should come up every time, we have option to pause in new tab from here. So you can click this and you can select how long you want to pause it and then say done. It will be paused. So now if I open a new tab, it is not coming up, and whenever you want to switch it off or you again want to show it on a new tab, you can again click on activate new tab. Otherwise it will get activated as per whatever the time range you have selected after that. Then we have option to customize, and this can be very useful for people. So let's say I want to only follow feed from some particular platforms and I don't want from everywhere everything. So you can always switch it off from here, or you can only enable what you want. Again, for this you will have to log in. So once you log in, you will get an option to select what feeds you want. You can customize your feed from here. Okay, and we have option to install on Android and iOS, and you can see the tutorial if you want to from here. You can give your suggestion or add reviews for this app. Okay, and you can make it, you can see the dark mode and the light mode here. And then if you want to publish your own post, event or job, you can always do it from here. Okay, so this can be very useful and very handy for people in testing and QA industry. One thing I liked it that it's all at a single place. You don't have to go to different resources, platforms, and then follow it or scan and look for the updates. You can find everything at a single place, and then you can customize it according to your needs. So let's say you just want to see YouTube articles from some particular channel, or maybe you just want to see updates from some particular platforms. You can always customize it as per your needs. So I hope this was useful. Try to use this and let me know how did you find it. I will see you soon. Thank you for watching and never stop learning.